going to be replacing the shifter insulator. So the first step is going to be removing the center console. So we're going to be removing 2 bolts inside the compartment, and 1 bolt here, 1 bolt here, and then we're just going to unscrew the shift knob. Next step is to remove the window switches. There you go. So once the center console is removed, you would like to just get a 10mm regular socket, and you remove those 4 bolts. Okay, after the 4 bolts have been removed, simply pull the insulator. As you guys can see, this was completely broken, and I have already replaced the turret bushing and also the oil in there. So that's when I found that the insulator was broken. So now let's install the new insulator. So after the insulator has been replaced, I use some kind of lube right here, grease, and just tighten the 4 bolts, and just now reinstall the center console. Install the Windows switches into the center console. Make sure you connect the connector, the plug, and just reinstall the 4 bolts and screw in the shift knob. This is on a 2001 Mazda Miata, and she's done. And this is a little bit of a walk around. Looking pretty. Thank you for watching.